In this video, you will see how to create YouTube channel. Step 1. Go to YouTube. Step 2. Click on YouTube. Step 3. Click on this. Step 4. Click on Add Account. Step 5. Click on Create Account. Step 6. Click on For Myself. Step 7. Enter your name here. Step 8. Click on Next. Step 9. Enter your date of birth. Step 10. Enter your gender. Step 11. Click on Next. Step 12. Enter your username. Step 13. Click on Next. Step 14. Enter your password. Step 15. Click on Next. Step 16. Enter your phone number for OTP. Step 17. Click on Next. Step 18. Enter OTP sent to your number by Google. Step 19. Scroll down and click on Yes, I am in. Step 20. Click on Next. Step 21. Scroll down and click on I agree. Step 22. Click on this. Step 23. Click on your channel. Step 24. Write your channel's name here. Step 25. Write your channel's handle here. Final step. Now click on Create Channel. Thanks for watching.